Still worth it. To get started with crypto in 2025, it's important to do your research and only invest in projects that you understand and that you believe in. Do you just jump into something because you see it going up in price? Because most of those projects are not going to be around in the long term. Let us take a look at some of the major cryptocurrencies and see where they stand in 2025. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, is currently trading at around $46,000. Bitcoin is down more than 60% from its all-time high of nearly $70,000. However, Bitcoin has also seen a lot of institutional adoption in recent months, with major companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy buying Bitcoin. In addition, Bitcoin has also been gaining popularity in emerging markets as a way to hedge against inflation. As more countries debase their currencies, we can expect more people to turn to Bitcoin as a store of value. The limited supply of Bitcoin, 21 million coins that will ever be mined, makes it a very attractive investment for those looking to preserve their wealth. Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap, is currently trading at around $3,300. Ethereum is down more than 70% from its all-time high of nearly $5,000. However, Ethereum has also seen a lot of development in recent months. With the launch of Ethereum 2.0, this upgrade makes Ethereum faster, cheaper, and more sustainable. In addition, Ethereum is also gaining popularity as a platform for decentralized applications with a growing number of users and developers building on the network. So overall, yes, crypto is still very much worth it in 2025. The prices may be down, but the technology is only getting better and more adopted. Is crypto still worth it in 2025? I've been getting this question a lot recently from people asking me if they should get into crypto now, or if they should have gotten into it earlier. So first off, let me say this. The first thing is that crypto is still very new. The next thing to consider is that the price of crypto is still very volatile. Another thing to consider is that there are a lot of scams and projects that are not legitimate. Now, all of that being said, I still think that crypto is worth it in 2025 and beyond. Here's the thing. No one knows what's going to happen in the future. So my advice is this. If you're on the sidelines wondering if you missed the boat, don't worry. The boat's not leaving without you. If you do that, I think that you'll be glad that you got into crypto in 2025.